Brother knows the garment industry. 100 years of experience in manufacturing sewing machines, embroidery equipment, direct-to-garment printers. Brother DTG is an industry pioneer in one of the fastest-growing decorating technologies. Brother provides high-quality, durable inks, as well as a high level of training and support. Brother DTG raises the bar with improved chemistry, state-of-the-art hardware, and enhanced software. A solution for garment decorators, fulfillment companies, sign companies, fashion brands, retail, schools, and more. Inobella Textile is an exclusive formula of ink chemistry and pre-treatment for GTX printers. Innovative ink cartridge and pouch system help maximize ink usage and is environmentally friendly, providing a large color gamut for brilliant prints. Bright colors and an intense white ink will help to create a finished product that will impress your customers. Oeko-Tex certified Inobella Textile water-based inks are eco-friendly and safe for printing on children's clothing. AAT-CC wash test validates our durable prints with strong washability. Inobella Textile inks, along with GTX printer, are a winning solution. GTX's state-of-the-art hardware advances can be the solutions for your printed apparel needs. GTX's new print heads are 70% larger and have 3 times the number of nozzles per ink channel versus previous models. This allows for faster print speeds that result in up to 35 standard-size prints an hour on dark garments and approximately 50 on light garments. With an oversized print area of 16 inches by 21 inches, customize products as well as apparel in a variety of sizes, from children to adults. GTX was built to be operator-friendly. An enhanced control panel with file storage displays artwork thumbnail and key file stats. Built-in auto maintenance features, white ink circulation, and wet capping stations help to ensure the GTX printer is ready to go. Communicating with the GTX printer is simple. Design and print from your favorite graphic design software on both a Mac and PC operating system. Or use the included Graphics Lab printing software that allows users to add text and other graphic effects to enhance the design. The GTX printer will read the data and begin printing the design. Inobella Textile chemistry, state-of-the-art hardware, and enhanced printing software. This all-brother-made printer is revolutionizing the way garment printing is being done. Visit www.brotherdtg.com for more details on the GTX printer and communicate with a DTG specialist today.